I haven't done a review on a DVD or an external DVD drive for some time now, so I am actually looking forward to doing this. And also, I do know someone who needs a DVD player, and the reason they need it is because they've got a laptop. They got no internet, and they need to put software on from their CD that came with their laptop. And I said to them, why don't you just connect to the internet and download it? I haven't got internet. Why have you got a laptop? So we are doing a review on two of these. They were sent to me, by the way. I did not buy them. And we are going to give them a proper test. Now then, I know it doesn't play Blu-ray, but I'm going to try it. So I have a Blu-ray, Total Recall, good film, or it was, in its day. I have a classic DVD. This is Out of Town. So that's a classic. I had some music. You're not going to be able to hear the music, okay, because it will be copyrighted, and I don't want to get hit with a copyright. Some summer classics and some comedy. I will be trying them out, and for whatever reason they should just work, okay. They should be plug and play. Now then, when I was talking to the company that's sending me these, I didn't realise, but it's a CD, DVD plus minus rewritable. It says external DVD drive USB 3.0, so bear that in mind. 3.0, you will need a 3.0. Normally it's a blue connection on your USBs, not your black ones, because it needs a little bit more power, because these only have one connection. So that will give it the power and the connectability for you to actually use it. So bear that in mind. So USB 3.0, portable CD, DVD, plus or minus rewritable. We will be testing it out on rewriting as well. Drive, DVD player, like I said, we'll test it out. Ideal for laptop, CD-ROM, burner compatible. Should work on a PC, and that's where we will be trying it, because I don't own any laptops anymore. Got rid of them all. It also works on Linux, OS, Apple, Mac, and comes in two flavours, black or white. So with that, let's get it open, shall we? I'm not going to show you around the box because there's not really a lot to say. It just shows you a picture of what it is and what they are. So I'm going to get both out. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a little card. So that'd be instructions. We shouldn't need that, but you never know. You might be one of those people who need it, or just like reading it. Right, quick look around. So you have the open close button. Nothing on the sides, nothing on the back. Nice bit of graining design there. And the name of the company, Go Tega. I don't know. And the USB. Oh, I can get her out. Oops, I think I buggered it. Come on, oh there you go. And the same again on this one. Bit in white. Can't get her out. That is tight. It's a good fit. But it's come out. So that would just go in there like that. In that little slot. Yeah. Like so. And you just run that down there like so. Make it nice and tidy. And you move that back there. So the leads are not very long, but if you're using a laptop or even a PC, you probably want it next to the PC anyway. Like I said, we will be testing it on a PC, not on a laptop. So there you go, the two nice little colours, black and white. They look really good together actually. Can't see the graining very well on that one, but you can on that one. Yeah, look very nice. So with that, I'm going to set one up. I'm going to set both up. I'm going to set one up, and then we're going to give it a test on my DVDs that I just showed you. And then we're going to do a bit of burning, CD burning, or even DVD burning. I think I've got some DVDs and CDs. I'm pretty sure I have. So we will give it a proper little test, okay? Give me a second. Right, let me explain to you what I've done. So I have tested some CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray player. Don't forget that will not work, but I did test it, and I will tell you the results in a minute. But also, I've done a speed test. So if you're interested in speed tests using CDs and DVDs, and they are at different read-write speeds, if you're interested in that, keep watching because I'll be bringing it up in a minute. So first things first, this is a CD-ROM and it does work. The only problem I had with this is it's so old that I couldn't install it on Windows 11. Yeah, literally, because it's that old. Out of Town, this is another old program, a very old program. I've had this for years and it's just been sitting somewhere and I thought I'll give that a little try. And yeah, it works perfectly. As you can see right now, if I click on, say, that one, it will go into the actual program. There you go. Yeah, works perfectly. CDs, again, no issue. I'm going to quickly show you this one. Yeah, Deep Heats, classic. Let me just close that a minute. We dawn that one up and get another one up. Hopefully. Right, there she goes. So that was Out of Town. And I'm going to play this. I'm not going to play the music because of copyright, basically. Don't want to get done for copyright, do we? Yes, but yeah, that works, no issues. It is a little bit of a slow starter, but no different to any other DVD player or CD player. They're all a little bit slow to start up with because they have to do a bit of reading. Don't expect it on performance-wise. Oh, I might not have put that one in properly. Oh, it's having a moment. Oh, it's better. Settle down, I think. Yeah, don't expect it to have high. Is that playing? Let's have a quick listen. Feel the rhythm of the beat to move. Yeah, that's fucking. Yeah, don't expect it to be fast read right because it's not going to be. It should be fast enough, but it's not going to be the highest performer in the world. Considering the price, you're never going to get a high speed at that price, but it should be fast enough. Like I said, I'm going to show you in a second. So that works fine, like I said, even with its funny little moment. I'm not going to load everything up, but you get the idea. So DVDs, or if you want a DVD player, no problem. CDs, no problem. That's another CD. Now then, Blu-rays, it doesn't work, but we knew that anyway. But I'm sure someone's going to ask me, does it work on Blu-rays? No. So I want you to get that out of the way. So that is sorted. Now then, I did run some bench testing. Now what I done on the bench testing is for each bench test I done, whether it be CD or DVD, I'll run the test twice so that I can get an average performance. Again, not the highest performance in the world, but this is a world performance, so it compares, you know, DVDs or CDs to the rest of the world. And I'm going to show you them in a second. But they're in the green, which is good. There was no reds, there was no issues, but it's only just in the green, and you will see. But like I said, not an issue. So I'm going to show you them right now. So the first one I run was a CD test, and that's at a 52 times speed CD rewritable. Then I ran 4 times speed on a DVD rewritable, then DVD minus R 8 times speed, and finally I run a 16 times DVD plus R. And like I said, wasn't expecting the score to be fantastic, but they're pretty good. Yeah, they're in the green. So it definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think that's a good score. Like I said, they are not expensive. They are quite cheap to buy. They are portable, ideal for plugging into, say, a laptop when you're out and about and you haven't got a DVD drive in your laptop. These could be perfect for you. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you're thinking about buying one of these or even if you've already bought one. Be interested to find out. I'm always interested in finding out what used people have actually bought, you know, whether you're buying a CD or computer or whatever. I like to know these things. I like to know what my viewers have actually gone out and bought. So with that, if you're thinking about buying one of these, check out the link in the video description. They are affiliated links, but it doesn't cost you any more money. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't, give me the thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.